Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we're actually interviewing not just a student, but someone who left both of his jobs, bought his own apartment, and became a full-time copywriter. And he's making at least 7K a month. I'm here with my brother Levi. What's up, my bro? How are you?
What's up, Ahmed? Thanks for having me, and I'm very, very good. Despite the fact I'm a little bit sick, but I'm gonna do the interview anyway. So
My G,
let's
bro.
get into
Respect.
it.
My G, bro. Tell us about your backstory, man. Like, how did you get started with copywriting? And you said you were working like two jobs before?
Yeah, exactly. So my background was a little bit like chaotic because before I started copywriting, because I went through a lot of bad stuff, and eventually I had to left my home country into
Mm,
another country, to Germany, and I tried my luck over there and like doing very basic, very entry level jobs. And
mm,
one day I was literally like sitting on my bed, and
yeah.
I told myself, okay, this is what I'm capable of. This is why I'm here. This is the reason I born. And yeah, so I had a thought, and I first heard about copywriting
Mm.
from Educate, back
Oh,
in 2023.
yeah.
And you can do this online. You could be a freelancer. You could work from
Yeah.
home. This is a high earning job, and you can do it from anywhere and without a boss. So, and I always
Exactly.
knew about myself. Okay, my dream job is not having a boss.
Respect, bro.
So,
That's why we
work,
all started, man.
exactly, working with my own schedule, with my own rules. And fast forward today, 2026,
Mm-hmm.
living this life right now.
Respect, bro. Honestly, man, that's so inspiring, G. If you don't mind sharing, bro, how many clients do you currently work with, and like how much are you making, if you don't mind sharing?
So right now working with two clients. I have a full-time client and I have
Respect.
a part-time client. And right now I'm between 6 and 7K, but this in
Nice.
months this is going to be over 7K per month for sure. I have two agency, script writing agency
Mm.
clients. One is for like creating content on Instagram and scaling businesses on Instagram with social media, with the help of social media. And I have a direct response part-time gig. We are writing
Respect.
direct ads, short form direct ads on Meta
That's
platform.
amazing, bro. You're making at least 7K a month, and you're working with
Exactly.
like video scripts client. Do you recommend this type of role, not email marketing? Do you recommend video scripts?
The thing is, I do really believe because there is a recent data that came out this year in the
Hmm.
creator economy.
Yeah.
They are waiting like 290 billion dollars in revenue by end of this year.
Wow.
So everybody takes advantage of this.
That's amazing, my G. That's amazing. And
Exactly.
I want to ask you, bro, like now that you're making good money with copywriting, like how's your life been? Have you been traveling the world? Like have you been working on your laptop?
Yeah, so the life I'm living right now, sometimes I cannot even process I'm living this life because literally I wake up every day. I can work from anywhere. I can work from coffee shops. I can work from the airport. I can work from anywhere. So far I haven't done like writing scripts or writing copy on the beach, or from sky bars, but time will tell, time will tell. But so far, no matter where I am, I don't have to take, days off. I don't have to take off like, okay, I don't need to ask permission from my boss. So I am my own boss. I can tell, okay, I'm working right now. I'm working not. I'm working from here. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Respect, bro. Honestly, G, like you said something about working in the airport. I did that a few times before my flight. Bro, it just feels
Exactly.
different, man. Like you're like working in the airport, seeing planes. It's just
Exactly.
insane, man. It's like out of this
Exactly.
world. Like we're so lucky that we're like in this industry, we have the skill. It's amazing, my brother. And I want to ask you, bro, have you invested in mentors before me?
Yeah, of course. So I invested in a mentor. I will not name him. He was very, very good. But the best thing with working with you, you are like, so you are a mentor, but you are like a friend. So you are like very, very friendly. You can
IG.
you share anything. So you are not that kind of guy Oh, okay, I pay you, okay, and I you give you this, give you this, give you this, but other than that, nothing. You are more than that. You are asking me consistently how I am. We are talk like friends. So yeah, this is the best part. After investing in my first mentor, my main struggle was, so I did a ton of outreaches,
Yeah.
but my main struggle was that less touch that I couldn't land my first premium client.
Thank you so much for the nice words, bro. Like, how important is it to have a copywriting like community, copywriting network, friends?
It's like beyond important. It's like one of the most underrated trait that you can have as a copywriter, because if you have multiple offers, multiple job opportunities, but you cannot take, but of course, because you need to avoid burnout and you need to
Yeah,
manage your time. But if you know a friend, okay, he's struggling, you can refer him. You can refer him. Also, it goes back to the same way. Uh, if because I'm specialized in short form script writing, I also
yeah.
already helped you out regarding short form script writing, and regarding social media copy. You also helped me out with direct response copy, because one of my biggest struggles was direct response copy. You need connections. You need connections because you don't know what's going to happen, and connections and having friends in your industry, it's very, very, very important.
Honestly, like this by itself is so huge because me personally, I've got like a good network of copywriters and we travel together, we rent villas, we travel to like Georgia, we're gonna go to Greece, Dubai. Honestly, like you level up so fast when you have people who are like-minded like you. Okay, my G, now I want to ask you the last question, bro. Like, what's next, bro? Like, what's your goals by summer, by end of the year?
This is a very, very good question, because I'm a kind of person who, I'm not saying I don't have plans, but so I have some visions, but I'm also kind of figuring things out. Honestly, my goal is like hitting the 10K in this year, in the end of this year. But I do honestly think there is not that far away.
Honestly, it's not that far away, bro. My G, thank you so much, Levy, bro, for your
Thanks
time.
for having me, bro. Thanks for having me. And yeah, this is my first ever interview. If I was a little bit anxious, then sorry. But yeah, let's crush in the live, let's crush in business, and also let's crush on YouTube with this video.
Respect, bro. Thank you so much, my brother.
Thanks. Thank
Peace,
you.
man.